Hi everybody, my name is Caroline. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I am setting up a smart LED Wi-Fi bulb from my friends at LE with Alexa and Google Home. This is your reminder, please put your devices on mute as I will be using the wake words frequently in this video. Let's get started with a quick demo. I'll say, hey Google, turn on Smart Pro Bulb.
Sure, turning on the Smart Pro Bulb.
Then I'll say, hey Google, change the Smart Pro Bulb to blue.
You got it, changing the Smart Pro Bulb to blue.
Alexa, turn off Smart Pro Bulb. Alexa, turn on Smart Pro Bulb. Alexa, change the color of the Smart Pro Bulb to red. Alexa, turn off Smart Pro Bulb. And I will show you how to set this up start to finish with the Wi-Fi Smart LED bulb with Alexa and Google Home in this video. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a quick unboxing of the LE Wi-Fi Smart LED light bulb here, and this is the packaging. It says it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and let's see. And here is the bulb, and there are some quick start instructions here, a happy, unhappy card, and that is it for what's in the box. And let's get this bulb screwed in here. So this is my lamp, and this is a regular, what I consider a regular light bulb. I think the technical term is more like E26 type light bulb. You just saw me unbox and install the Wi-Fi Smart LED bulb from my friends at LE. Now I do have to disclose I did receive this bulb for free. I received no other compensation for this. I'm not endorsing this product. I was sent this bulb for free for the purposes of making this video to show you how it works. As I unboxed it, there are instructions, and I did record myself following the instructions as written on this instruction guide. Unfortunately, those instructions did not work for me. I'm going to show you my way of getting this to work with the Smart Life app with this bulb. And the Smart Life app does work with other smart home devices as well, as you have seen on my channel previously. I'm adding this part of the video just to make sure that I fully disclose everything to you, that I'm not following the instructions in the pamphlet exactly word for word, but I am showing you a way that does work in my home with these devices. Let's see, I need to make the light blink rapidly. Okay, I'm going to turn it on, off, on, off, on. And now it's blinking very rapidly. Now I'm going to go to an app I already have called Smart Life here that I've set up several other devices in my previous videos on. And I'm going to log in. I see my other devices I've already added. I'm going to hit the plus button in the top right hand corner, and I'm going to hit lighting devices. I'm confirming the light is blinking rapidly. Yes. I'm confirming my Wi-Fi password. Yes. This is a 2.5 gigahertz network. It's actually both. Device already. Okay, interesting. My device has been added successfully. It's called the Smart Pro Bulb. Excellent. Completed. You can change the name if you hit the pencil icon to the right, but I'm not going to change it. I'm going to keep it Smart Pro Bulb. I'm still in the Smart Life app right now, just to be clear, and we're going to control this from the Smart Life app. And here it is, Smart Pro Bulb. Turn it off, and I can turn it on again. And then I can touch the name, and then I should have some options come up, so I can turn it off, I can turn it on, and I can choose the brightness and the coolness of it. Okay, turn it off, turn it back on again, and I can choose the color. So let's check out some cool colors here. There's red, there's a purple color, there is blue, and you can also change the brightness as well, brighter, and coolness. Okay, And let's check this out. So let's go to aqua and green and yellow and orange. So let's take it back to pink here for a second. Actually blue. Let's change it to blue. There's also scenes, like a party scene. Lots of interesting functions here. So I'm in the smart home app. I've got other devices on here as well. I'm going to exit out of this app. I'm going to go into Amazon Alexa. I believe that I did get a notification saying that it did find my new device. So let's see if that is true. Okay, and I'm going to select devices in the bottom right-hand corner. That house icon is supposed to be a smart home icon. And I should be able to see my devices. And then I'm going to select lights. And let's see, I've got Smart Pro Bulb, new device. And I can turn it off, or I can turn it back on again. All right, let's see if this works with the Alexa right now. So I'm going to unmute it, and I'm going to say, Alexa, turn off Smart Pro Bulb. And there it goes. Alexa, turn on Smart Pro Bulb. Alexa, change Smart Pro Bulb to red. Alexa, change Smart Pro Bulb to blue. Alexa, change Smart Pro Bulb to green. You can change the colors. Alexa, turn off Smart Pro Bulb. And it goes right off. Okay, so that was pretty easy to set up with the Alexa, as I already had the smart home app on my phone from previous devices. So this Alexa app is pretty advanced now. I'm going to show you how to enable the Smart Life skill in your Amazon Alexa app right here. So I'm going to start up the Amazon Alexa app, and you can see that the cards are right here. I'm going to tap the top left-hand corner, and that brings up the menu. In the menu, I'm going to hit Skills and Games. And this menu brings up all of the skills, games, everything in the entire Alexa store. We are looking specifically for Smart Life, which is a smart home app. And you can see it right here, Smart Life on the bottom. This is the Smart Life skill, and it's going to work with the corresponding Smart Life app that we just enabled on our phone. So I'm going to hit Enable. So this is enabling the Smart Life skill, Alexa skill, on our Alexa account. And it corresponds to our Smart Life app that I just showed you in a previous scene. So I'm going to type in my login and password for Smart Life. I'm going to link now, and I'm going to choose Smart Life. And I'm going to authorize Alexa by Amazon. And yay, Smart Life has been successfully linked. And I'm going to close this window. I'm going to tap the X on the top left-hand corner. Okay, so now the Smart Life app has been enabled. Now I'm going to tap the bottom right-hand corner, which has our devices. And so we can see our devices, but we don't see our Smart Life devices. So I'm going to press the plus button right here. I'm going to add a device, and then I'm just going to select light, and I'm going to say other, and I'm going to just let it discover devices. And it's found my new devices. I'm going to hit done. Now that we've returned to our devices screen, I'm going to tap lights, and I am going to see that my Smart Pro Bulb is now on, and I can turn it off, and I can touch Smart Pro Bulb, and I can see the light is off and the brightness is set, so I can just turn it on just from the app itself, and I can even set the color to white from the Alexa Amazon app as well. So now let's return to our video. Let's check this out with the Google Home. I'm going to select Google Home right here, and let's see, lots of devices. I'm going to select Add right here, and I'm going to set up a device. Works with Google Home. I'm going to say I want to set something up, and this is through the Smart Life app. I'm going to unlink my account because I have other devices. Now I'm going to relink it. So I'm going to search for Smart Life right here. Select Smart Life, and I'm going to log into my Smart Life account, And I'm going to say Smart Life, link now, authorize. All right, excellent. So I've got Smart Pro bulb, add to a room. I'm going to add this all to the living room. I'm going to hit done now. And let's see, so we should be all set up in the living room with my Smart Pro bulb here. So let's check that out.
The mic's back on.
Hey Google, turn on Smart Pro bulb.
Sure, turning on the Smart Pro bulb.
All right, there it is. Hey Google, change the Smart Pro bulb to blue.
You got it, changing the Smart Pro bulb to blue.
Hey Google, turn off Smart Pro bulb.
You got it, turning the Smart Pro bulb off.
Hey Google, turn on the Smart Pro bulb.
Sure, turning the Smart Pro bulb on.
Hey Google, turn the Smart Pro bulb to pink.
You got it, changing the Smart Pro bulb to pink.
Hey Google, change the Smart Pro bulb to purple.
You got it, changing the Smart Pro bulb to purple.
Hey Google, turn off Smart Pro bulb.
You got it, turning off the Smart Pro bulb.
And that's it. So we can now control the Smart Pro bulb, the Wi-Fi smart LED bulb with different colors with both the Google Home and Amazon Alexa. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe. Bye now.